mornings, my mom comes and wakes me up. When I wake up, the first thing I have to do is my morning list. The first thing I have to do for my list is brush my teeth.
You want to have a pajama day?
Yeah.
All right, a pajama day it is.
Now it's time to make my bed. It's pretty annoying because it's hard. It's hard because like I have to tuck it in and stuff. I'm going downstairs to feed the dog. I hate the way it stinks so bad. After that, I have to wash my hands. Usually we do school in the classroom, but today I wanted to do school in the game room. My mom's reading me a book for language arts, and I like when she reads it to me. I always make her laugh. Sometimes I get distracted. Now we're about to do Bible. I have to find my Bible first, and then it shows like something about it. Sometimes my mom takes breaks to play with me.
This is what it's like homeschooling a 7-year-old. What is a nonfiction book?
A fiction non-book. Are birds and bats alike? Wait. To clean up the classroom. It's with the unicorns forever.
Yeah.
The milk. Usually when we're done with school, we do PE outside. But since it's Friday, I'd rather play screen time. I really like homeschooling because I get to be with my family all day. When I'm done school, I forgot what I have to say.